Hello, welcome. It's Nini. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about skincare. So there's this new skincare brand called Wildcat. Here's a package. It says Wildcat, really cute. They're all about the environment, so this box is made so you could keep it or recycle it, do things with it. Here's their cool packaging paper. Here is what the inside looks like. Some dope stickers with kitties and all recycling. Really pretty postcard with a note. And here are the goodies. So we have this post-consumer recycled makeup bag. This is Wildcat. We have their skincare minis, which come in that bag. They look like this. They're really good size. I would say they're like a deluxe sample size. Here they are. First, we have their lip balm, their gel cream, bubbling skin tonic, an awesome electrolyte spray, and a very nice gel cleanser. So let me tell you a little bit about my skin. I would say I have pretty sensitive skin, a little more sensitive than regular sensitive. My skin burns even using sensitive like wipes or facial wash. It will usually get like a burning sensation or it turns very red. I try to stick to very natural or like clean beauty. Okay, so a little more. So I'm in my late 20s. Wow. And I am getting adult acne, but not just regular acne. I get cystic acne. I've noticed the older I'm getting, the more flare-ups I'm having, or the more intense the cystic acne is. Like I have a spot here. I do have a little bit of foundation. Once I remove this, you're gonna see like I have like a little breakout right now. But so when I get like a bump, it gets really inflamed, really red, really angry, and it will make like either, depends where it is, swell pretty bad and be painful for like a week or two before it even starts to calm down. I'm a face picker. I can't help it. I try my best not to, but I still sometimes do. I pick my face, so I know that's not good. And right now, I'm trying my best to keep up with skincare or have some type of skincare routine. I notice the older I get, I'm getting fine lines and all the good stuff. So I'm very excited to try this skincare. They have clean ingredients, seem pretty innovative, so I'm very excited. So Wildcat is vegan and cruelty-free. They are founded by Woman. Their products have nothing toxic, no fillers, no parabens, no sulfates, and no synthetic fragrance. Full of CBD, antioxidants, amino acids, and probiotics. All very good for your skin. So let's jump right in. So I really like their packaging. It's very post-consumer, recycled, which is super awesome. They are manufactured in the USA. The first thing I'm gonna try is their gel cleanser. We're in the bathroom, and so welcome to the bathroom. I'm gonna take my hairband. Just like that, because I don't want to get this in my hair. This is Wildcat's pH Balance Gel Cleanser. It says it's highly concentrated, so we need a pea size amount. That's like about a pea, I would say. So I like to apply this on my skin dry. I'm just gonna spread this everywhere. And then I wet my hands. So. And I like to massage it into my skin for a while. Don't leave your water running. Just really work this into your skin. And a little on the neck. Take it down to my neck. Feels very nice. Doesn't have too strong of a scent. Really smells like anything. And it has a nice gentle bubbly feeling. I'm just gonna rinse. I'm gonna take a clean towel and lightly press my face. I try not to drag it to avoid wrinkles. Okay, now let's go try the rest. Just finished washing your face. We're gonna take Wildcat's Bubbling Skin Tonic, and this has ginger and kombucha. It's really cute. I love the packaging, really pretty, and it's like a nice pink. Oh, I want to try it. Okay, so it says you can either do a couple dashes on your hand and tap your face in, or you could put it on a cotton pad, which I have one. Yes, I know these are bad. I will get the other one soon, the reusable one. But for now, I'm gonna use this. I was just reading it right now, and it says that it will get really bubbly when I'm putting it on. So let's do that. I'm just gonna do a couple splashes on my thing. Let's rub this in. Okay, so I have very sensitive skin. Well, not anymore. Well, it is. I can feel it. It's doing it in the pad. Definitely gonna rub this on my forehead. My skin's been acting up a lot lately. It feels nice. It has a very soft scent, like florally. So you could see my face got a little like reddish from touching it and rubbing it on my face, but nothing too crazy, nothing that's like burning. It just felt like I was bringing more blood to the surface of my skin. It smells really clean. Almost like a doctor's office, but with like some flowers or something. Nothing too crazy, very skin. Feels very plump and hydrated, I would say. And the skin tonic has 45 milligrams of CBD in it, so it should be smoothing for your skin and calming as well. Love lip products. This is lip balm. So it's either called like Supachu, Kupachu. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it has mango butter too. And this is 50 milligrams of CBD in it. I love this. So I already tried this first. It was the first thing I grabbed. And it smells and it has almost a similar texture to the Milk Kush Cloth. Feels amazing, not too crazy heavy, not too tacky, just enough slide, and my lips feel very, very hydrated. And they're so chapped right now, so it felt soothing. This is Wildcat's electrolyte spray. It has coconut water and noni fruit. This also has 45 milligrams of CBD. Feels very good. I like the spray. Kind of like shoots it out a little bit, but it's fine. Feels minty. Says you can use this in the morning, in the night, in the daytime. Feels really great. Even more super hydrating. Last but not least, we have their gel cream, and this has mushroom and moss in it. And it also has 60 milligrams of CBD. This alone, or you could also layer it with your foundation or a primer. since you can mix it in with foundation to get a dewy finish, which I really want to try. So I'm going to put a light layer first, and then I'm going to mix it with a little bit of foundation. First, the light layer, I'm going to take one baby pump, like that, and just put it in like my driest areas. My chin, my center of my cheeks, and my forehead, and the sides of my nose. Okay, so I want to mix it with this foundation. This is ABD's True Portrait Foundation. So I have my palette here, and I'm just gonna do a little dot. Not too crazy. And a pump of their gel cream. One full pump. Let's do one full pump. So I'm just gonna stir it with the back of my brush here. And I'm gonna use this brush. Dip it a couple times. Tap off the excess. Let's see. I'm gonna start under my eye area since I have the darkest spots there. There's times when I just want to wear like the most sheer foundation, but that has like a good coverage. And I like this foundation as it is, but I want it to have a dewy finish. So this seems so far like a good combination. It's giving my skin a nice luminous effect while toning down some redness that we have. So let's do 1/2 so we could compare. So this side's already done, and this side doesn't have it. Here's a close-up to see what it looks like. This side has the foundation mixed with the gel cream, and this side, I only put it under my eye. Everywhere else doesn't have it. It just has the gel cream and the rest of the skincare alone. I'm gonna finish the rest that we have here so you can see the whole thing. So I just finished my somewhat makeup, just ran some color through my brows and put some mascara. I want to put another spray of the electrolyte spray from Wildcat. So okay, so this is it, finished. If you're really into like the whole CBD craze or trying new innovative beauty products or skincare, definitely check out Wildcat. Really natural and clean. They're all about the environment, so they have sample sizes, which is great. These are, I believe, the sample sizes, so I think it's a good amount, decent amount of product to try. I'll link everything down below in the description. I hope you liked my little review on Wildcat skincare. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and check out Wildcat. Okay, so here's an update. It's been about, I would say like a month since I've been using the Wildcat, and my face has gotten pretty clear. I'm really impressed. I like it a lot. And besides this little spot, but I've been having this for a while, it just flares up here and there. I would say it's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. Hope you stay safe and everything.